What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to my garage. So this is my 2017 Acura MDX, and we're going to do a quick video on it today. We're actually going to be scanning the battery and the alternator using this Innova. Let me clear it up. Innova 5610. I'd like to thank Innova for sending this out. Really appreciate it. They're the ones that sponsored this video, and they're the ones that sent me this to review. So far I have nothing but good to say about it, and I haven't done a battery check on this car yet. It's a 2017, like I said earlier, so the battery is about 6-7 years old and haven't had any issues, but we're going to do a test on it today. So let me just say, this car has been absolutely a great car. As you can see, it's in really good condition. I'm about 5 miles, I think, short of 132,000 miles. And I actually just changed the brakes last weekend. So I put brand new rotors and pads all the way around. You can see here. And like I said, they were still the original 133,000 miles basically. And the front pads were still probably still had half its life. The rear pads were actually a little bit more worn, but the biggest reason I changed it is because I was getting a little bit of vibration from the front here. So basically the rotors were warped, but I mean, you can't complain. 133,000 miles, you know, great car. Let me pop the hood real quick. Try to do this one hand. There we go. I keep it nice and clean, as you guys can see. And the battery's actually under here, under this intake. Alright, so let's get started. Again, the reason we're here, we're going to take the Innova 5610. Again, thanks to Innova for sending this out. And let's plug it in. Let's turn it on. Alright, let's get over here. To make things a little easier, I actually already plugged in the OBD port over there, as you can see. So we're just going to have to connect this end to the scanner. So let's do this. And that should just snap in there. There we go. Okay, so it's linking, as you can see. So this is the first time I'm actually hooking this up to the car. The car is not on yet, as you can see. So I think I'm going to have to turn it on. But either way, it's already linking. Let's see. There we go. Alright, unable to establish a communication, which is pretty obvious. Alright, so let's turn on the car. And like I said, guys, 5 miles away from 133,000 miles. Alright, let's relink this. Alright, so that was quicker. Alright, so I'll skip that for now. Oops. There we go. As you can see here, there's no reason why it wouldn't pass admissions, or as you can see. So that it's a little hard to see it through the camera, but let me system status, I think it is. Alright, here we are. So we can, let's find, actually I think it's actually the menu. Battery test, there we are. Okay, like I said guys, this car has 133,000 miles. It's a 2017, still has the original battery. So let's test it to see what we have here. Alright, let's go. Yes it is. Alright, so let's do a battery test. Enter. Okay, the vehicle is not moving, transmission is being parked, neutral, ensure parking brake. Okay, continue. Alright, turn off the engine. Alright, it says turn on the headlights. Just did. And hit continue. As you can see, the headlights are on. Alright. One moment, please. Counting down. Haven't had any issues with the car starting, but we are going into winter of 2023, so alright, turn off. Okay. So let's continue. Start the engine one time within 30 seconds. Battery status is good. Wow, that's great. Okay. So let's go back to the main menu. Let's do an alternator check. Shouldn't have any issues there either. Alternator check. Continue. Increase the speed above 2000 RPM and hold it. Okay, so as you can see, it's idling at 1000. I just started the car. So let's bring it to 2000. Alright, it's actually, there we go. Alright. It's actually nice, it shows it right there. As you can see, it's over 2000 and it's counting down. Turn headlights to off position and idle engine. Okay, there we go. Says good. Alright, great guys. That's exactly what I expected. I haven't had any issues, but going into winter, the battery's about 6-7 years old. Just wanted to verify and make sure I'm not having any issues. Again, I want to thank Innova for sending this 5610 out to me. I'm really liking this tool. I've used it a couple of times already, helped a couple of friends with it, and I'm continuing to enjoy it. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. And again, I appreciate it. Catch you next time. Have a good one.